So we just finished installing this Kohler toilet. Homeowner purchased this either directly out of Home Depot or Lowe's first, I'm not real sure. Anyways, toilet set real well. It's a round front Kohler. Was it a Cimarron or a Ellsworth? Don't know. Anyways, we caulked it back in. We had to put a couple shims in. You can see them peeking out a little bit. Sorry about that, but unfortunately, you know, when you got a little bit of movement in the toilet, you need to put shims in. So it doesn't disturb anything, but it does support the toilet. So it's caulked back in, good to go. Toilet seat is on. Brand new shutoff valve, and that is it's a new product, Bluefin, quarter turn. So I'm not going to do it right now because I don't know. Well, quarter turn off and quarter turn on, and so brand new shutoff valve, brand new supply line. This is a Fluid Master 3/8 by 7/8 by 20 inch. So that's tight and everything's good, no leaking back there. The tank is filling properly. The tank is flushing, or the bowl is flushing properly, and it's refilling properly. The only problem I have with this, you can see there's a little kink in that line. That's right from the factory. This is all pre-installed, so we did not kink that. And the hose is short, so you can't really cut that and stick it back in there. The only thing you can do is get a little replacement hose. Home Depot, Lowe's, or Ferguson, anywhere you want. But if you find that it's taking too long to fill, you know, you can see if you squeeze that, it opens it back up. But since it's been collapsed from the factory, you know, you got a kink right there. So that's the only thing I have to say about that. So toilet looks good. Everything is fine in here. We got some few of the project to take care of. Outside of that, this installation is done.